All right, mate. Yeah, sorry for the late reply. I have friends visiting until Friday, so I had to take them out and show them around and stuff. Bad timing with yesterday's market going crazy. Anyway, yeah, so far a nice bullish engulfing candle here. I'm not sure when I drew this line, but obviously I must have been trying to watch for some sort of stop hunt here, and it seems to be playing out. This is a nice bullish engulfing candle. There was this large volume here, and also the second large volume here, you know, that can be important as well, so that would be support, and price did bounce off that support. So I just want to flip out here, and I'm going to go back to the yearly. You can see here, so this is decent, right? This the yearly has took liquidity down below and now flipped green. Quite often when this happens, price wants to go higher and take liquidity up on this wick, you know, continue to move up here into this wick and fill this wick. In a really strong move, it'll keep moving and come up to here. It doesn't have to do that all this year. For example, a move up to there may be pretty normal, and then the second year sometimes it does that, right? There's no given, there's no you know, it doesn't happen 100% either way. Both ways can happen. This is the more conservative approach, but you know, sometimes if we actually do go parabolic, that candle can turn into a very large candle and back up. But I'll just leave them there for now and just flip out just to see what is going on here. Let me move that out a bit. Yeah, so you can see there, this looks very good. This looks like it wants to come up and take liquidity here. The base is very nice here, and we are trying to move up. So yeah, nothing wrong with that at all. It does imply that on a new month that dips into here should be good buys, right? In theory, it should any dips down into this range should be decent buys. So if we keep going, because there's a new 9 week in a few days, well, you can see where I drew that. That is down. Bloody hell! I didn't mean to move it. That is down into here, into the wick. Right, if I move it across now, it's down into here to fill the wick. So a dip down to fill and take liquidity in the wick, a little bit like here. Look at this. So a dip down to take liquidity in this wick can then be a buy for moves higher, for decent moves higher. This is also maybe that's why I had the line here. Remember, I had a line on down, but this is a bullish 9 week stop hunt. So there is a lot going for it here. It's trying its hardest to be bullish. It's trying very hard to be bullish. So I think dips are buys. My computer's running slow. I'm not sure what's going on. At this point, you know, it's green on a 2 week candle, which is what you want to see. You know, yeah, you could buy a little bit, and if it does dip, you could buy more. But if I were you, I would trade the new monthly candle. This is, you know, when you break the white 100, you hear me talking about it quite a lot. That's when the prices can be bullish. That's when you can get decent moves. Sometimes when you conclusively break this, you never break back below it, and you continue to go into a bull market. So it's definitely worth watching. That's that candle there. I'm just going to move this down here now. That's that support. That's the close right there. That's the open. Well, the close and the open of the new candle here, but it's just it'll be an important range here. It's trying to hold here. I would like to see price hold above this top line. That is the close of this high volume node. See, this was a high volume topping candle. This looks like breakout volume. There's a difference. If we just look at that, what happened up here? Yeah, look at that. It's at the very top. Right. It's this one here. Look at that. That's insane. Okay. So yeah, I think it looks okay. I think it's trying to be bullish. I would like to see a small dip and a flip green, and then you can long on a new month. Like look here. See, there's a bullish engulfing candle here as well. There was a small dip down and then a flip green, and obviously this went parabolic. I'm not saying this is going to go parabolic. I don't think it is yet, but it looks like there can be more upside. So in the first few days of the new month, which is in 15 hours time, I think it's worth watching.